Talk to us a little bit about oil and how there might be some extra countries coming into the OPEC production cut agreement, potentially in order to keep the price a little bit supported.
Yes, that and declining U.S. inventories. Nigeria's talking about a cap at 1.8 million. You know, China imports are up, so there is some good news here. There's a reason why we bounced off the lows, but $47 in the SEP crude is a tough nut to crack. If we can get over that, we got a pretty clear shot up to $49.50. However, that $42.25 low is a real big target if we fail here. And then if we get through that, then we're talking $38. And I'm wondering if we are going to get through it or not. There's still a lot of very big bearishness overall in the crude oil market. So this could be a likely area to fail. If we get over it, we'll see.
Ted, agricultural commodities traders have had a rough day or two after that U.S. Department of Agriculture report, which showed plentiful supplies. Does this reverse in any way, or are we finding a new range here for the likes of wheat and soy?
Yeah, so as far as corn and wheat, I mean, we've had massive reversals this week. Corn, just 2 days ago, we were making new highs for the year. And then yesterday at the close, we were just pennies off the lows for the year. So it's been massive ranges. We got a big bearish USDA report. We saw more supply for both corn and wheat than what we were expecting. But at the same time, or actually about 20 minutes later, we saw the U.S. forecast get cooler and wetter. There had been some hot and dry in there that had been getting us more and more worried about our crop conditions and what's going to happen. However, that wetter forecast took some steam out. Now, here's a different story, though. We have crop conditions about 11% worse than where we were this time last year in corn, and we're much further along in the growing season. So with a better weather forecast, I'm not so sure that's going to turn this crop around. I think the recent break that we've seen in corn and wheat is a really interesting buying opportunity, because I wonder if we're going to be making new highs in corn and wheat sometime here in the next few weeks, months.